Gearing up to storm the Citadel. Students in an after-school STEM club at Hilton Head Island Elementary School are traveling to the Military College in Charleston this weekend to take part in a science, technology, engineering, and math competition. Teams of students will be competing in 3 events: trebuchet, a type of catapult, water bottle rockets, and robotics.
The robotics actually has 2 different parts. So there's a mystery challenge where we don't know what the challenge is. So we get there and we have 2 hours to build and program our robots based on what they give us. And then there's also Lego golf. We just have to get as many golf balls into the hole before the other team that we're playing against.
The students are busy building and coding their robots, hoping to program a winning formula.
We added 2 big wheels and a small wheel to our robot so it could travel much faster and so it could climb objects.
We have a good chance of winning because our robot, we tested on a course and it made it all the way through. On it, it also can go up ramps and many other things.
Students are also adjusting their trebuchets,
3, 2, 1, fire in the hole.
taking aim at scoring the most points.
We put weights in the box and then you wind it up, load it, and then you count down and then pull the string and it swings and you have to try to get it into they'll have targets that we have to hit, and whoever gets the targets, the most points, wins.
And students can't wait to blast off their water bottle rocket.
Go, go, go! The rocket had some leaks, but with the spray, we covered them all. My rocket was, what we do is use duct tape to tape all the fins, and then rock spray it so it doesn't seize.
Last year, teams from the school won 1st and 2nd place in the Robotics Mystery Challenge, and a team also won Best Video Award for Trebuchet. Storm the Citadel is Saturday in Charleston. At Hilton Head Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.